Yo, chat, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready for this one. A good afternoon after that insane NFP. Definitely a good one. Not our best ones, but you know what? Hey, that's part of the market, it's part of the game. We wouldn't have done anything different. Look at the chat. I don't know what's going on, but I'm guessing obviously everyone talking about NFP. Was a one. You learn from it. But again, that's part of the game, guys. Trading the same way. Trading in general, you can't have a 100% win rate. Same with news. You take it on the chin, you move on. We spoke about with the Project G guys. We're going to go over the news and a bit that for you guys now. But yeah, very, very unseen. Majority of your traders all taking a loss today. So again, no one foreseeing what the news came out as. But we're going to touch into that. Jeff, how you doing, bro?
I'm doing good. I just feel like an idiot.
Why is that?
When we do analysis, I'll show you guys. I'm a fucking idiot.
But again, guys, literally part of the game. If you can't take a loss, I suggest you shouldn't be a trader. But alright, Akkers, Mian, Van Rooyen results shared. Hey, there's no brew. It's a tough life sometimes. I love the energy, still mindset. Hey, guys, I just think Jason's there with us. We wouldn't have done anything different, guys. Part of it. Because you know what the thing is, end of the day, we hit NFP last month, we hit CPR last month, we take a knock. I always say to you guys, NFP the more harder one out of the two, and that's part of it. You can move forward now, take a listen and move forward. Next week we got CPR, so we're gonna what happens. But CPR, as we were saying earlier, going to be very, very interesting. You got CPR and FOMC on the same day, so that is going to be very, very interesting. We're going to see what happens here, guys. And we're going to talk about this. Where we were saying, again, market honestly could just consolidate now. Could have a little bit more of a drive. Joash lost 250k. Yeah, that was all his demo profits he lost. But end of the day, even he was on the wrong side. Joe's also sent out buys. That's what we say, guys. We need to just get on these Oakshire groups. I swear, every single one this year, if you just do the opposite of what they did, you would have made money.
I must say, I respect their confidence for losing every time and coming back.
Welcome back, James. NFP, wow, you shook the tree. Yeah, guys, NFP is part of the game. There's no love lost there. 2 more noodles for supper tonight. Hey, our boy Chico back in the chat. Joash and 2G, same WhatsApp group, lol. Hey, Chico, my brother, we love you, but again, you were offered a 2 million rand account and you didn't have the balls to come claim that even. So again, we all pray for you, bro. Are you going to trade CPI live keys? We will trade it again. It's all with Project G. We will be doing that. We actually sit through the whole FOMC with the guys as well. So that is all part of Project G. We do that stuff with them. I was on the funded account and my capital had buy stops goals. So basically never even got triggered with my capital, so I'm okay. Thing is, guys, for anyone, if you truly full ported, truly full ported, you would have blown. You have to understand the amount of money we had on the table. This little wick here would have still taken us out. That, oh wait, you guys can't see. Hold on, let me. This little wick here. So even if we did sell, that wick was enough to take us out. So again, people don't understand because they're not thinking of the size. But when you look at that, that is still there, 25 pips almost. Again, keep in mind when I have a normal trade, I'm only risking 30. So that 25 would have still taken you out. So as much as that wick doesn't look like it, that was a big move. So we would have got clapped on that. Consolidating that, that was the move, guys. This over here, that little wick was like almost shy of 30k profits. So you got to understand that you wouldn't have sat through this anyway. Yes, that would have been an amazing profit, but that's part of the game. And the reason we had that wick was we have mixed data, which we're going to go over. But again, nothing would have changed. If we sold, you still would have got clapped. So unless you weren't full sending. And again, guys, keep that in mind. I'm not taking away from Shaq. Big ups to my boy. He flipping smashed it out the park. But he trades on a micro account to allow these things. So he still made big money today. Big money. But he didn't have the full amount of risk that Chris and myself had in that sense. Like we said, he could set through that. We wouldn't have been able to. So end of the day, when we truly full port, You can't have this. And that's, again, mixed data. It changes the game for you. So no matter what, you would have died there. And they can't. Chalk them. Guys, I'm not even worried about them. So really don't let them get to you guys. Are we reckoning today? Check out what y'all. Can't wait. Wrench crew on stairs today. Hey, the guys are doing their jobs. Is Jevon not in Project G? No, he's not. Jevon doesn't want to support the G's. He doesn't pay for it.
Jevon has his own problems.
Chicken you by 3 months. Yeah. Hi Jevon, how are you? Nice to see you, Jevon, brother.
Nice to see you, Samad.
Expecting a bull run on gold soon. Chicken lost in 3 seconds. Yeah, bro. Usually froze, and I was like, really. I made the sound, but yes, my heart can take it. Blessed and happy. Gold didn't buy and limit. And went south. I closed all my sales before the news came out. Hey, bro, unlucky. What liquidity provider you use on TradingView, Keegs? All my stuff's with the under.
Oh, he's here again, Ishmael. My man, if you're gonna, I can choke if I want to, but now that you're here, everyone, this guy Ishmael.
No, hold on. I want to talk to this man quickly. Jeff, just relax. Ishmael, I'm gonna say one thing, bro, because we don't need to give you airtime. You went on about Sean Lee, and just to shut you up, Shaq is right here in the office. I'll call him in here for you now. Your ears work when you want them to work. The podcast you talk where Shaq spoke about Sean Lee. You like, oh, but you had Shaq on your podcast and he spoke about it. Yes, he did. 10 seconds later, Shaq was saying how he's a scammer because the man can't take a flip and trade in front of you. So Shaq himself said he's a scammer. So please, brother, use these things on the side of your ear. Don't use it when you want to use it. And when you want to act tough, very simple. Why are you waiting a year to come to Vault? You know where it is. The office is here. Pull up, brother.
And I just want to add one more thing on that. And unlike you who make threats, I will warn you publicly. You must make threats to me and fucking dragging my mom into it as well, If you're so strong, bro, why don't you drop your location right here in the chat, right now? Tell me where you are. Dan kyk ons wat gebeur.
Champ Keys, did you and Chris go with the 10K you guys spoke about this morning? Yeah, we went with 10K, bro. No problem, no beef. No, Ishmael, I'm just saying, bro, before you want to go in the same way, Shaq's right here, we can call him in for you, if you want the answer.
Ishmael, jy moet anders sê ek se moffie, bro, Gaan wil weer sê, drop your location, Dan kyk ons wat gebeur.
Not on the stream, yeah. Yeah, luckiest day ever. Got in a sell this morning, then that happened. Only see my account now. I'm talking. That is awesome, brother. Congrats. I'm happy for you. Again, guys, anyone that sold, guys, I'm happy for you. I had some killer trades this week. So with the testing, we were talking about this. Literally CPI alone. CPI last week, I'm still up. CPI last month, I'm still up because of how we killed that. So guys, again, end of the day, like, I'm happy. I always said losing is part of the game with trading. And if I see other people win, I'm happy for you guys. It's not like if I lose, other people win, there's a problem. But hey, guys, that's trading. We're not gonna hop on that too much. It's part of it. You move on. But let's see here, Chad. I want Keegs mentality, because if I had to lose more than $2K, bro, it's, as I say, it's just part of the game. Trading, you, as I always said, where you truly learn to be a trader is when you're gonna learn to handle your losses. Trust, it's not nice. I'm not happy I lost. That's not the point. But I can't do anything about it now. It happened. As long as I can learn from it, coming back, there we go. But we've got 4 missile market open, guys. Very, very simple. Everything's off the cards right now, because obviously what happened. So you can't really say like, I'm bearish. Yeah, this thing, as you said, there is that gap. It finally went to go full. You had the key level. We did talk the whole week about this 103.450, guys. So we had that test, turn bullish. And now we're seeing this all the way back up at the weekly pivot. I just want to say, guys, when it comes to the fundamentals, we think it's going to range, but I do think you will get a little bit of a pullback. Reason being is, all right, that's still, we were looking at that. Reason being is when you look at this, guys, this number is very, very big. It beat this big time. They revised last month as well, which made it worse. But the problem I'm having is your average hourly earnings is bullish, which is good. Yet your NFP number came on higher, which is good. But unemployment is the lowest it's been, or the highest it's been, so for 2 years. 2 years we haven't been at 4%. So that is very, very bad for the dollar. So this guy is your mixed data. And that's why I think we could get a bit of a pullback. Again, I'm not saying this move is going to reverse, but we could see a bit of a pullback. So I'm not going to say we're going to fade it now into New York, but we're going to see what we can get.
Jerry, why did I warn us? And I still said last night in the group to be.
Chris. Yeah, sorry, Chad. There's a lot going on in the offices. Let's just sort this out, Joe. We all speak Africa. The profits would have been decent on those 10K, but she just made a nice 60K though. Hey, there we go, brother. I'm stoked for you, man. But sorry, guys, getting back to it, we are seeing this pull over here now at the weekly pivot. So again, you're already at the R4, very, very extended. Keep in mind, this thing can give a pullback. So what I'm saying is, I'm not saying you're going to flip, but for example, now you've broke this key level, you could have a pullback and go more bullish for the rest of the session. That would be the only thing I'd look for, honestly. Yeah, so Rian, I'm gonna go over that, but that is something I'm looking at. If this is basically at this area, it can pull back, like I said, to this key level and then just go bullish again after that. When we go over to the indices, what we are going to look at is basically this, guys. So we've broken down. I would just love a retest of maybe Asia lows, and there you go, started off from there as well. So nothing's really going to change there in the bigger scheme now. Again, just a case of can really target something at the bottom there. With US30, almost the same thing, but I actually want to look for the daily pivot EQ, because that is, we can see there's a pump of volume in here. So that would have been the fake outside, pulling back up, and then that dump. So look for something over there and the move back to the downside. So look for that with US30. And that's pretty much going to be it from my side, guys. Gold, I don't think gold's going to go bullish. There's a good chance gold it's in the dirt now. I always said to you guys, we need that retest of 2300. And right now, this is the best chance gold's going to have of that test of 2300. So right now, there's your pullback. Obviously, markets are open. We'll open it up now. But you have to wait for your 50-minute shuffle. There was the retest. So if you can get any nice closures under this, I'll probably look for that 2300 move. But pretty much that's everything from my side, guys. Over to my boy, Jev.
So on DXY here, we can see we are currently in the supply zone. Oh, damn. So what I would like to see is, so no full closures above this level, which is very good at the daily R4, very extended. So I do expect price to start pulling back with it. But guys, let me show you why I feel like an idiot. Beginning of the week, we said that we had this reaction zone over here, this liquidity. I can only start looking for buys when price taps this level. Look what happened. Price tapped it and it exploded. So me being me this morning, seeing this as a flip zone, I look for basically buys on GU and on gold. So GU buys played out of here, but we didn't take it. I took that, I took a little fade here on gold, 50 pips. So on DXY, I will expect price to basically pull back and to get back into this level down here at the Asian low, this little demand zone. Just mark it out for you. So most likely only next week. I won't be looking for sells today. or anything like that, because I have to see this reversal take place. And initially we can see this lowish price lift over here. I would need to see price break below this level and then basically retrace a bit to come test the weekly pivot and the R4 to give us that reaction towards the downside. Then on Euro USD, price very close to this demand zone over here as well. Just want to see price retrace a bit down, give us an entry pattern, and potentially we see some longs. Same on GU, almost at the zone we also marked out beginning of the week, so we'll just wait for price to actually get to that level. And then on USD, basically weekly pivot, this demand zone down here in this fair value gap at the S2. I want to see price travel down to this level to see some longs towards the upside. And then on Nasdaq, price is still very far away from the zones, so for today I'll only be locked in on USD, EU and GU. Even gold also, gold's at the point of interest as well, but there's still more room to go down potentially at the weekly S1, so I'll just keep an eye on gold here. I'd actually like to also see it trade down a bit more like EU and GU before considering those potential longs. But yeah, that is me.
Alright, I'm just throwing some at you quickly, brother, then I will put it back on my screen.
Oh, good. Is that guy from the other day? He came back on stream. That guy from the other day, other night.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, I spoke to Shaq and Chris about it the other night when that happened. I'm not gonna say anything about it. He must just drop his location. It's like Slashy said. Ek moet 'n morfie. En sal sê maar die morfie saam doen. Sal 'n paal se nadruk.
Alright, Chad. Let's see. I went to gold today on the one chart around 10:30 SA time. Price gaps. I don't know, brother. Yeah, I was looking at those G bars as well. Bang choose. Why is everyone so quiet, bro? I think everyone's a bit traumatized there from NFP. NFP slaps some people. Chat is very quiet, bro. That's what I said. Guys, honestly, like, I don't enjoy losing, but yo, you gotta be okay with losing if you want to be a trader. G's who won accounts, when are they going to get their max? Or from what, this morning, or which accounts?
Oh, je begint alweer nog kak.
What now?
check the comments.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Guess which economist caused shorts from London and howled, plus only funded trader in the office. Shaq profited. Was dying on his live. Karma. Oh. Oh, our boy King Shaq.
Is he back?
The man thinks he grew some balls.
Is he back? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to have him back.
Oh, King Shaq. The thing is with King Shaq, bro, the man's also apparently catches every single move on the planet. Never loses, never blows accounts, never does anything, but doesn't have anything to show for it. And can never show you actually took it. So, great logic there, bro. Thank you, Keys and Chris, for Prodigy. We come back strong next week, bro. 100%. Hey, Lyndon with the dono.
Oh, Lyndon, always my brother.
Georgia boy. Okay, you guys had me up a deposit a while ago, but hasn't reflected. Bro, I think the servers, they flooded right now. King Shaq reminds you of those guys who never loses. Yeah, bro. Never loses. He's technically a millionaire, and then he's riding around here with his city golf. Yeah, that's King Shaq, bro.
Yo, I don't know, bro. USDT killed me.
Yeah, I know, bro. We all got clapped out.
What I told Shaq as well, it's not even the money. Even if you had 100 rand on, it's not about the money thing. It's about the preparation, and you're on the wrong side. So it's just gut. It's not the money. It's like you put in money you can afford to lose, but it's part of it.
No, bro, that's what I said. Like, if you're a trader and you can't take a loss, like that's the problem. Shaq, have you found God yet? I was at a problem. My deposit at 1 and still hasn't reflected. Damn. And I love how he still calls it economics. But again, guys, he's such an amazing streamer, but yet he's got to watch us and he's got to watch Shaq. But he's one of the world's best traders. Bro, like, I don't know, that's the thing, bro. I'm not stressed. Like, I'm not. I think we hit. This is only our second loss out of all the NFPs this year. Every single other NFP and CPI we've hit. I know we haven't missed one CPI this year. And then, yeah, we only missed on the one NFP.
I even made a joke with Keegan.
So, I'm really not bothered.
I made a joke with Keegan before the stream, and I said, "No, Keegs, we lost. We have to hide the losses."
Yeah.
And that, like, exactly, like, why would we, it's part of the game. Part of the game.
Yeah, no, it's these guys. But you see, Chad, that's the best moment. For example, King Shaq. We knew he was still here because he wasn't banned yet. He's banned now. But the man had to literally sit here for days to try and wait to give us cuck on something. You had to wait days because we don't slip up. So, unlucky, my boy. The man, the best part, is again, he acts like this, but he forgets how we've literally got the messages where he told us he had to run and go hide in Botswana because he stirred cuck with Sanos. So I don't know what type of man that is, bro. Keys, I was setting up an account. Fabio's wild with King says hard drive is like my PH pray they'll never finds it. Exactly, bro. He has experience and been through it all. You guys know TG's forever. No, I appreciate it, brother. Take your losses the same way you take the W, with a smile. Exactly, bro. It's, as I say, I keep saying it's not. I don't enjoy losing, but it's part of the game. Aki, I'm showing the private Discord link. Can you please assist? Gibson, you in it, bro. I can check now on the Discord. You are in it.
Oh, Kevin coming through the dono. Thank you, man.
I'm literally gonna check for you now, brother. But you are in the private Discord. Yeah, you are in it, bro. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it on the welcome, just so you guys don't see it. But literally, bro. So it's in the normal 2Gs. You're gonna come into the normal 2Gs, and you're just gonna go down, like all of this is here. But then you're gonna see where everyone else stops over there after hobbies. You're gonna have access to Project G. So yeah, just it's there, bro. You are in the group. What TG's done for free is insane. Keep going, James. Really appreciate it, bro.
I'm gonna bring Chris. What do you call that? Hey, Keeks?
Yeah.
What do you call thing you're blowing?
I don't even know what you call them right now, bro. I'm hitting like a blank.
A party whistle. I'm gonna get you guys one of that the weekend. Adding some Vintage 8. We need to get one.
Obviously, I was learning from you. Appreciate the keys. What are the EQ levels and how do you mark it out? It's an indicator, brother. Indicator. Remember, illusion trade is just a tax. I love that, bro. I love that.
That's really well said.
Oh, no, I love that. Kayla Nike to help the haters to buy a new line. Oh, Chad, you guys are insane. Guys, I just want to say one thing. You know what? And I think this is just for these guys like King Shaq and Andre and all these other oaks there that are punching the air at us when we're doing so well. I don't even think I actually confirmed it with Jeff. So Jeff knows about it, but I don't even think he knows that it was confirmed.
What's that?
We've locked in the deal with Red Bull.
Oh.
So 2Gs,
Nice.
stream and podcast will officially be in works with Red Bull. So again, guys, there's a massive international company. If we really were such these bad guys and don't know what we're doing, why are these companies jumping on board? So again, my brother, you can keep doing what you're doing and we will keep doing us, bro. And we will see you at the cross.
So does that mean I'm allowed to drink Red Bull now?
So when you guys see the new studio, there'll be some Red Bull stuff you guys are going to see up and about.
Healthy lifestyle incoming.
Yeah, the party will survive till NY session. Yeah. Congratulations, gents. Well deserved. Appreciate it. Congrats, guys. You're making moves. 2Gs plus Red Bull. Let's go. Your congrats, guys. 2Gs on top. That's a big W. Congrats, gents. Thanks so much, guys. It's been a thing. Been in the works, but yeah, it's really stoked and we're definitely excited to see what we can do moving forward with them. Like we said, us having our compound and area to work in it's definitely going to change the game for us. Huge stop loss slip. No minis, bro. No minis. Yeah, guys. We're just trying to see. As I said, US 30. We are looking here, guys. Could definitely look for a sell here on US 30. Well, fundy. Stop loss was 800, closed on. Guys, a stop loss in a news event will never, ever work. If you even go look in the T's and C's, there is that about news events. The volatility and the move and how quick it is, a stop loss will not work. Bro, in news, a 20 to 40 stop loss will be slipped. Yeah.
That's exactly why when there's like news events, I put in just the amount I'm willing to lose for cases like that.
That's our DJing accounts, guys. That's bro, if I, for example, if I put my flippin' main account on this, where is it now? Let's look here properly. On that, and what happened. Because remember, that was my stop, profits, and then technically, what I would have wanted to risk is like, yeah, that's what I would have wanted to risk. This would have been my account. Like, I'm guaranteed that would be my account, and I'm like, I'm not saying things here, but my account's not small. My main account isn't small. That's where you'll see a grown man cry. Like, that is, you're just stupid if you put in main accounts and things like that on news events. Keys, mine of Vault was actually a solid risk, 1% on a milli, and it closed on 11k. Not bad. Oh damn, bro. But okay, how big was the stop though? Peach Nation. Oh, Vince. Keys and Jeff, I was setting up account on Vault today. Can't do AstroPay and M-Pesa in Botswana. Which Bitcoin wallet would y'all recommend?
Wait, is that with Vault Funder, Emmanuel?
Yeah. Or with Vault. I don't know which Vault he's talking about.
I don't think Vault Markets has crypto. I think only Vault Funder has crypto. Ne?
Yeah.
So I think it must be Vault Funder. Let me quickly check for you.
Yes, it was Vault.
Which one?
Yeah, he did. Because funny enough, I see our boy Miles did catch it. Well ups to him. You can see my boy doesn't trade news though, bro. The man literally is shaking after he caught the move. But big ups to our boy. US 30, bro. I do expect a bit of a pullback. Literally, yeah, around the EQ. So this retest, this is literally what we would have looked at. So again, I'm having a bit of an issue with my account. We're trying to sort that out. But literally, this is what I would have been looking at now.
No, I can't log into my account. Password.
But yeah, bearish. As I say, guys, it's all part of the game.
You know, Kaden, what you said there now, ne? You know how hard and long it took for me to leave. It's gonna sound bad, but to leave my ghetto side behind, and then people wanna reactivate it.
People wanna react.
Quickly see buying an account with crypto with Vault. I must say the site looks sick though. I've never tried to purchase an account with Vault.
Put it on your on your page quickly, brother. Your
okay.
Screen. Your website, your screen.
Okay, let's see quickly. Emmanuel, just stay with me. Vault Markets. Emmanuel, does Vault Markets have AstroPay? Because as far as I'm concerned, Uncle Gupta, I saw your comment earlier. That's why I didn't detain you. Okay, I see who Uncle Gupta is. This is Emmanuel once again. Only he would call me a lesbian. Only he would call me a lesbian. Even if I was a lesbian, bro, I still get more pum pum than you. I wonder where's Curtis. Is Curtis here? Curtis Rousseau. You must ask Curtis who my people are. That's why I don't have to talk about doing things to people and shit like that. Because I know one cool. And I'll say it again as well. Any person who wants to challenge me, drop me location. I won't even do anything. But do it publicly. Don't do it directly in my DM and go open a case with the police and shit like that. Do it publicly, so it could be anyone. Yo, Callan, I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you doing? Jakes, bro. It's sad when people blow accounts, but they don't want to invest in their education. I want to quote something, but I'm so scared I say it and something happens and they use it against me. Emmanuel, so I would say when you go for crypto, Bitcoin is reliable. Can't go wrong with that. If you're thinking fees wise, Ripple is a very low fees, or even try a stable coin like USD, like a USDC, USDT coin, if that is under the crypto options. Yo, Neil, away, man. You know, also, guys, let me quickly show you guys something. You know that guy Ishmael, who is talking so much. He is good. I'm not saying this in a bad way now, but I've noticed this many times. This man joined the gym the other day. Now he thinks he's strong. Let me quickly show you guys something. Let me quickly download this picture. Let me quickly download this picture and show you guys.
Who's Uncle Gupta now that's been?
It's Ishmael. He changed his name and came back.
Oh, yeah, these people.
Yeah, it's a pity I can't find this picture now, man. I want to show you guys a specific picture.
Of what?
Of a guy I used to fight against in the kickboxing. Okay.
Yo, Jax, we need that, bro. We need that. That would be dope. Guys, I'm gonna probably give it till a little bit just after 4. I'm not gonna wait for major moves going into this Friday afterwards. Still waiting on a few other things as well, so yeah, I'm just gonna give it a little bit. Carl Jacobs, Jeff, don't entertain these peeps. Can go get you a Red Bull for some sugar, lol. There we go. Carl, bring him with a little dono. W. Carl Jacobs. Hey, Jeff, I'm still waiting for an account to get fixed, but support is helping, so sure it will be fixed by next week.
Okay, so I can't find this picture, an exact picture now, that I want to show you guys, but it is the best one I can find now that will show you definition. So you guys have probably seen how big Keegan is against me, So this guy is more or less Keegan size. This guy. I used to fight against people this big. People think I'm scared of people on the internet.
I'm here, Beverly. What's the indicator you use for the EQ levels daily range? Honest question, Keegs. Peter, what's up, bro? What's up?
Oh yeah, Neil. Let me someone do that now.
Keegan and Jeff, is it possible that you have a pen in order and they place it below your take profit because of slippage, and please not that they place it below your TP if you sell in? Indeed, I don't get exactly what you're saying there, brother. Keeks, next week we bang at CPI and FMC. 100%, brother. 100%. Is Shaq still in the building? Yeah, he is. Him and the missus are sitting outside a little chill area chatting. What is the average put movement on CPI release? I know Chris checked the NFP average. Fobs, I'm not sure. We're gonna have to check that one with Chris. We can ask him. Just ask him in the Project G, bro. He can respond there for you.
Neil, so Chris says they are aware of it. They sent to the tech team, so hopefully by next week it should be fixed. Obviously, it's not this weekend, so give them the time to fix it now.
Keys, what was the one thing you learned from this NFP? I want to say don't ever get too overconfident. We've been pretty solid, and the reason I'm saying don't get too overconfident is, so myself and Heinrich were actually talking about this, and we both did the same thing. We've been on a roll with NFP and CPIs, and we kind of have a set amount we always risk on them, and we doubled up now because we've been killing it. And it's just that karma thing, like Murphy's law, the sense of the day you double up is the day you'll lose. Because you're getting greedy, you're trying to push the limits. And again, as traders, that's the thing, we need to push our limits. But yeah, I think the day I pushed it, I got clapped. And that's what I said to you guys, even if I sold, that would have clipped me, because the whole account was on full margin. So even this, if I did sell, that little wick to the top would have taken me out. So I would have lost either way. And that's just, again, a thing of, don't ever get too comfortable in a situation like this where there's never 100% answer.
My lesson today with NFP was follow your plan. If things change up in the moment, it's very hard to adapt so quickly. So I'd rather stay out of it. I feel like I've tried to adapt so quickly this morning that I couldn't actually make a proper decision on my bias. Basically, I flipped it too quickly based off small reaction.
Yeah. Guys, how does a copy trade app work, brother? Basically, so the copy trade app links all your accounts. Then you basically from there you actually execute, and then it copies over the exact same trade across all the accounts linked. Hey Keys, got in on gold at 23.18. How long do you think it can go? Well, I said, bro, the 2300 for me. That's your target. Keyshow, man, to Wally, when I was trying to get in, it gives me a code, but it doesn't want to take it. A code? There's no code, bro. Yeah, there's no code, bro. You literally on the normal. So you can see. Can you see the normal Discord, the free Discord part? Is it just Project G you're fighting with? Remember, you're not using the link, bro. Use your profile. So sign into your profile. If you're not having the app, I always say, guys, the app is just easier. But if you're using the web thing, then use the web, but sign to your profile, then just go to the 2G server. Because remember, we use it on our main server, so you should still be able to join it. The only thing is you specifically have access to the private section. So you should still be able to get into the normal Discord. Keegs, how do I copy trade my accounts? There's various different apps and websites and things that can do it for you. Market's a bit slow, looking to trade at 4:30. Yeah, as I say, for me, I'll probably call that soon. Keys, my cousin messaged me yesterday regarding a deposit he made to Volt Market 2 weeks that still hasn't reflected. What do we have to do? Still haven't gotten any response. Well, brother, he needs to message the support. Literally, their support agents, bro. I can't do anything for you with Volt Markets. Like even now, that's literally the issue I'm having. That's why I didn't take this USD trade. I deposited. Now, as you say, the servers are like down at the moment. I can't take that trade. So literally, I can't even do anything myself for that, bro.
Yeah, I told Mo the same thing earlier. Unfortunately, because we are Volt Markets office, the only difference is we don't do like...
We have none of the technical side of Volt Markets.
Yeah, so I told Mo earlier, like, we was trying to verify his documents. I told him, like, we're in a Volt office, like, we don't verify his documents. So
yeah.
if we could do something, trust me, guys, we would literally go to the end of the earth for you guys.
For you have to do the same process we'd have to go, bro. Go through support.
End of the earth, because the earth is flat.
No rush, Jeff. All is good. Gents, have a great weekend. Awesome. Keys, Jeff, love you guys. Much love, brother. Have a good one.
Much love.
Caden, you like the master account and you place all the trades? Yeah. Same to you, Jex. To watching Keys, have you contacted all the winners? As I saw my name also on the screen. Tabletti, bro, you have to just understand, guys. Today's been crazy. We did literally London stream straight into. We had to finish content that we had to do, and then literally started prepping for what's the name. So you guys might not have been contacted yet. If you haven't got an email, then obviously you haven't been contacted. but they will be sorting it out. Jeff, what was your okay, you answered that. So what am I trying to say, for example, is I had a sell stop at 100 and my TP is at 50 because I'm selling, but because of news and slippage they place it below my TP maybe for, yeah, they can do that because that's the same thing with like a normal stop loss and a bar, whatever, it won't work a stop loss and that. Even a TP, your TP would be triggered later as well because the news is so volatile, so quick, it can't trigger it in time. They come back is always stronger. That's just the wise words of the pastor himself. Exactly, Fabs. You know what it's about. It makes sense. Thanks, Forex Insights. Can you recommend a copy trade app? Keeks, do you think with so many opinions in the office can persuade your bias on an event? NTO, no. Unfortunately not. We got to this morning. Funny enough, I don't know what made Shaq sell. So we all spoke about our opinions, and Shaq was actually buying as well. So I don't know what happened that he sold.
He said if everyone goes one direction to the opposite.
No, but that's the thing, guys. We literally were all talking about it. He was also buying. So I don't know where he changed, because the thing
No,
is,
it's a strategy, Keeks.
his strategy is 1 minute before. He entered 5 minutes before. So the strategy wouldn't have worked.
Holy shit.
It normally works. That's the way he full ports. That's why he didn't make as much, because he couldn't full port.
Damn.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what changed, but I'm glad for the boy catching it, but I don't know what changed. He was also buying. I can show you messages. We spoke about it. He was also buying. So I don't know why he changed and took the sells. But no, we stick to it through and through. Remember the last CPI, which we traded live with you guys? I said to everyone we were bullish. It's a buy. We're doing it. The day, because we were trading bullish in the morning, Chris was saying, bro, I don't want to do it. And I said to Chris, bro, stick to the plan. If you want to do it, but I'm sticking to the plan. I'm not budging on this. And it was a bar. So no, even though there's a lot of opinions, as traders, you got to trust yourself and your gut. Street Challenges, have a great weekend. Let's smash it next week. 100%, guys. Copy train, oh, you're back. What is going on here? Keys, Jeff, brothers, see you guys Monday, Chad. So it's cold, raining, beautiful this weekend. Peach and our family. Yeah. Do you guys only trade with Volt markets? Yeah. How you doing, Jeff? I hope you book some profits today. Have a beautiful weekend, Chad.
Thank you, man.
Can we get Shaq on here to explain?
So I had 4 trades this week. 2 wins last night. A stop loss was yesterday, the day before, and then a stop today. So 2 wins, 2 losses. Like yeah.
Keegs, it really happens that you guys are wrong, so it is what it is. Neil, appreciate it, bro. But as I said, I promise you guys, I'm chilled. I really, really am chilled. From my side, I'm really fine with it. So, as I said, it's part of the game. I know. I just said to you guys, I don't have anything. I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I know what I can do. I know my capabilities. So I know, you know what, it was a hiccup, and as I said, wouldn't have changed anything. So I'll just come back for CPI next week.
But don't you think it's hectic also though, ne? Like,
What?
like look how much like we've won with you on news events, and the one time maybe we're wrong. It's like people have shit to say, and it's like.
But the thing is, it doesn't matter how many times they can win with you. The guys don't like you, so they will wait for the one day you miss, and they will use that on you.
True.
So it's irrelevant how many times they won with you. But that's what I said. I'm not bothered by it, bro. I also had a sell bias on NFP, and then I checked Shaq's stream and saw he was also selling, so I was excited. Hey, Callan, bro, if you had it, my man, I'm stoked for you, bro. Stoked for you.
Wait, Callan, didn't you? Who sold USDT yesterday? When they said I'm going aggressive. You're probably eating right now, eh?
No, but I mean, but the sell was over here, so they sold. It would have pulled all the way back up, literally to either they break even. If you think about it,
I see.
I
see, because they didn't enter exactly at the buck. Okay. Unless the man was optimistic, like myself.
Bro, if that thing dropped that amount, you break even, bro. You will break even. Maybe if you don't even keep its stop loss in profits, you are sure I'll break even. Nee, vir die weer gaan rugby captains aan. Hey, lekker brother. Mr. Rugby Days. Watching me, I'm in a ban after year study. Hey, excited, execute. Yo, bro, I'm on my own mission right now. Guys, I think honestly that's gonna be the session. I'm really not gonna take anything.
Yeah, everything looks so choppy.
Yeah,
man.
and as I say, I can't even get in on my account. So I've given you guys the bias. I can't do much. So it is just one of those days. But yeah, Chad, Jeff, anything from your side, brother?
I would like to see gold close above 23. This little high, and then leave us with like a fair value gap. So for instance, something look at that, how the candle moved here now. So if you can see price potentially play around like this, play around, and then have some sort of displacement with a fair value gap, and then let me throw it out for you. So let's say something like, damn it man, something like this, and then that retracement I will potentially look for along with a very tight stop. Oh, can't be very tight, because just an example, Chad. It's not gonna. I'm not saying that's gonna be the entry point, but yo, it's already 40 pips. But max, if it's more than 50 pips, then I'm not gonna take it. But we'll see, Chad. We'll see. You guys must know. Just keep an eye.
There we have it. Right, guys, I think that's pretty much it for myself. Thank you, let's rest up. We're eating red Viennas tonight, but next week we're going to find down after CPI. 100%, my boy. We're gonna kill it. As I said, bro, we got nothing to prove to these people, because again, next week Wednesday when we kill CPI, we kill FOMC, then we'll see what they have to say. So I'll take a 10k knock to come out with 100k next week. That's how the game works. But other than that, guys, always thanks for joining in. It is absolutely trash where the NP is, so I'm literally gonna go home and just chill out, relax with the family a bit. Don't stream, guys, and for the week, have a good weekend, guys, and safe. And Jev, funny, cool, Esther. Thanks, always awesome stream. Really appreciate you guys. But also the Prodigy, guys, keep in mind Sunday we'll have our prep call. And then we'll chat about everything. We'll dive a bit more into exactly what happened. We'll talk about what numbers have been revised and things like that to look into the coming week. But other than that, guys, peace and love. Thank you for everything as always. The support, the love in this channel is unreal. And we're going to see you guys on the flip side. Peace and love, baby.
Check your chat. Much love.